Welcome to the Amaris Premium Aviation Windshield Cleaning Maintenance Procedure. Today we're cleaning this Bell 206L4, which has just returned from a flight with moderate bug accumulation. On board your helicopter is our compact ramp cleaning kit. It contains a bottle of Nanotech degreaser, Nanotech Performance Booster, and NXD2, our fast cleaning instant detailer. Remove your ramp cleaning kit from the helicopter and open up the pouch. Inside you'll find stored all 3 bottles, with one section of the bag designated for dirty microfibers and another for clean microfibers. In the case of moderate bug accumulation, NXD2 is the default product for cleaning. Apply a light mist over the whole windshield and allow it to dwell for a few seconds before wiping in an up and down motion only. Allow the product to evaporate momentarily and flip over the microfiber and wipe in a side-to-side motion to reveal a clean windshield. Repeat this process for the other side. After cleaning with NXD2, store your dirty microfiber in their designated slot and grab a new microfiber for windshield boosting. Your Amaris-equipped windshield greatly benefits from the occasional boosting with Nanotech Performance Booster. This product enhances slickness, clarity, and shine. Following the same steps, apply a light mist over the windshield, wipe in an up and down motion, followed by side-to-side motions. After the excess product is removed, flip to a clean, dry side of the microfiber and gently buff in a circular motion to reveal a clean, boosted windshield. If the windshield is heavily impacted with bug residue, dirt, or just general accumulation, the Nanotech degreaser can be used in the same steps as NXD2. It's really important to note that this product is only designed for heavy-duty cleaning, not regular upkeep of the windshield. Apply the Nanotech degreaser and allow it to dwell for 10 seconds in a cool, shaded environment. Wipe it in an up and down motion, and then flip to a clean side of the microfiber and wipe in a side-to-side motion. This product will leave a light residue on the windshield. To remove this residue, apply a light mist of NXD2 following the degreaser application to remove the residue and then buff until the desired clarity is achieved. After the windshields have been cleaned, twist the nozzle shut on the bottles you've used and store your dirty microfibers on the outside of the bag. Return your ramp cleaning kit back to its designated spot inside the helicopter. Congratulations, your windshields look like new in a fraction of the time.